Want to make 5K in the next 30 days? If so, then do what I show you in this video and watch it till the end. What I'm about to show you is something called Facebook to eBay arbitrage. Here, let me show you. Go to Facebook Marketplace and then go to search, select free stuff near me. You can find a bunch of things for free, baby stuff, some man cave decorations, it looks like, Keurig. There's a whole bunch of stuff. But before you go out and get these products, do this first. Go to eBay and search for the product that you're interested in selling. Let's say you pick up that Keurig that I showed you. Type in Keurig, search for the Keurig or similar types of Keurigs. See what people are selling them for. So if you see that you can make a good profit off of that product, contact the seller, go pick it up, take some photos of the product, list the products on eBay for the same price or a little cheaper than what other people are selling it for. This is like a no-risk business. Rinse and repeat this method until you make 5,000 bucks. Do you want more side hustle tips? Make sure you follow my profile and go here to watch a video to see how I made over 80K online in the last 6 months.